Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to create a model for the book. After that, we will create a book route, controller and the service file for the admin. So let's get started. As you can see, the models package. Inside this, let me create a new file with the name book.js. Let me open here the user model, copy the code. Let me add inside the book model. So first of all, I'm going to update the object name that we have, book schema. Let me update the model name, so it will be a book. After the name, we have to pass here the object that we have, book schema, and we have to export here the book. As you can see, the imports of the Mongoose and the schema inside the new schema object. Let me remove these fields. So inside this, I'm going to define the fields for the book. So the first field that we have, title, that will be a type of a string. Second, we have a validation that we have required true with the validation message that is a title is required. After the title, we have a field for the author that is a type of a string, and the validation that we have required true. The message that we have author is required. After the author, we have a field with the name description that is a type of a string. Validation that we have required true with the message description is required. After the required, we have a validation max length that we have 1000 characters. After the description, we have a field for the price that is a type of a number. Validation that we have required true, and the message that is a price is required. After that, we have a validation that is a minimum 0. After the price, we have a field that is a type of a string. Validation that we have required true. After that, we have a field for the condition that is a type of a string. After the type, we have a enum with the values new, like new, used good, and the used acceptable. After the enum, we have a validation that is a required true, and the message that is a condition is required. After that, we have a field for the addition that is a type of a string. Second last, we have image URL that is a type of a string, and the validation that we have required true. At the last, we have a field for the status that is a type of a string, and enum that we have available and the sold, and the default that we have available. At the last, we have a property timestamps true. This property will create two more fields in our book schema that we have created at and updated at. Now you can take a look of the book model. Now after that, as you can see, the routes package. Inside this, let me create a new folder with the name admin. Now inside this, I'm going to create a new file with the name bookroute.js. Let me copy this folder. Now inside the controllers package, let me paste here. Update the file name that we have, bookcontroller.js. At the last, let me paste inside the services package. Update the file name that we have, bookservice.js. So that's all for now from my side. If you have any confusion, you can do comment. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.